It's very easy to make chicken parm in your air fryer. All you need is Perdue chicken cutlets that are already breaded and cooked, good pizza sauce like Rayo's, and look for a really good cheese that's like mozzarella and provolone and rustic cut. And you want to use a really good olive oil. All right, so we have the chicken cutlets in there with the liner. Take some olive oil, spread that about. Then you're going to want to take this pizza sauce, spread that on there. And then you're going to want to take that cheese, and throw that on there. We don't want to be skimpy. And then we're going to put it in the air fryer. All right, so you see that that's in there. We're going to push it, so we're going to do it for 2 minutes at 4 minutes. We're going to do it for 2 minutes at 400. And let it just preheat and warm up and let it just air fry. And then we'll see what it's like in like 2 minutes. All right, YouTube, so it warmed up. And like I said, 400 degrees for 2 minutes. We'll see what it's like after that. If we have to add more minutes or maybe just put it under the broiler. There it is, YouTube. Really simple and easy chicken parm with Perdue and Rayo's. It's not the most best looking chicken parm, but I can tell you this tastes so good. You can see that cheese and sauce. Hit like, subscribe, and talk to you soon.